Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So got another mouse case here for my Samsung Galaxy S23. So this is their Limitless 5.0, but it is their speckled black fabric case. And I really like this on an iPhone review that I did. So I really wanted to get this one in my hands, and Mous was kind enough to send out a couple more for me to review. So in this video, let's check this one out. Let's talk about my overall experience with it. Now I've owned this case now in my possession for about 2, maybe almost 3 weeks now. And I've almost exclusively only used this case on my S23. You're gonna be looking around 59 bucks or so. Mouse cases are pretty pricey, but you get what you pay for. I'll link some down in the description if you are interested, and definitely check out some of my other mouse case reviews that I did for the S23. But with the speckled black case here, the back is kind of the main attraction, but we'll talk about that once I have it installed. But in the interior, you can see we have this really nice fabric material in here. We have MagSafe charging compatibility, which is huge. So if you have a iPhone or MagSafe chargers, then you can use this with any of those accessories. It does have their AeroShock technology inside. So as you can see, that green material in there, that's what's going to be helping with that insane drop protection that you've come to know and love from different mouse case videos where they're like flying down a zip line and chunking them like 100 feet in the air, all that kind of stuff. This is the secret sauce when it comes to that. So as far as installation goes, it's very simple. Just kind of, start from that button side and push in, and there you have it. And there is the speckled black color. So like I said, really like the speckled black color. It's got this really nice kind of rubbery texture to it. I never thought I would appreciate or like the speckled color. It almost looks like they had a white paintbrush and kind of splashed all over it a little bit, or like kind of stars, but that's really what it looks like, speckled paint all over it. And I really like it. It's like one of my favorite mouse cases. It just feels really good in the hands. There's no fingerprint issues. There's no smudge issues. You have a really cool mouse logo down at the bottom, so that way you know what it is, but just really pops with the black and white theme on the back here. Now with the actual camera cutouts, I would have liked to have seen single cutouts for the lenses, but it's okay. I don't hate it. It's very nice and snug against the lenses, so it does look clean. And then it does kind of extend out there for the flash. They are nicely recessed in there though, so as you can see there, we are going to get some good lens protection, so that is awesome. Now let's go ahead and move to the sides. So the sides are pretty nice because one, we have this really nice ribbed pattern here, and that's where your fingers are usually going to rest, and that's going to help a lot with grip. But we also have, a really nice kind of higher gloss black power button and our volume up and down buttons. But the side also has this really nice kind of matte finished feel to it, but it's just very solid feeling, if that makes sense. Just feels really good. Moving to the bottom, you can see that we do have some lanyard holes there if you like to rock a lanyard. And then down here at the bottom, we do have some cutouts for our USB-C charging port and our speaker. And then lanyards once again on this side, ribbed pattern on the bottom once again, and then it kind of stops like the other side, so it almost stops at the exact same point. And then rounded edges once again going to the top, where we do have a nice little cutout there for the microphone up top. As you can see from the top down view, it is very flat on the front and back as well, so I'm curious to see in the wobble test if it does wobble or not. Looking at the front though, we do have some lips, so nicely raised lips, more prominent in the corners here, or forehead and chin. So when you do place it face down, the screen's protected, it feels good. It's very minimal, so it is thin, but it's not like paper thin. And another thing to point out is I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here, so it is compatible with that as well. Here's the look of how it looks, where the cutout for the speaker is up top. So there we go. So next, let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So let's put it face down. Shake. There's no shaking going on. And then back down, no shaking going on either. So it is a very flat phone case. So if you like that, then 2 thumbs up there. Now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So I'm gonna start with the power button first. Volume up and down. Okay, So buttons are extremely tactile, guys. So if you like clicky buttons, then you'll love this case once again. So now let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe capabilities. So Mous was kind enough to send out this black MagSafe charger as well. So big thank you to them. So we'll slap it on the back, and as you can see, it is wirelessly charging my device. So it does find those MagSafe magnets very nicely. So if you are, once again, someone that has MagSafe magnets around your house, then boom, there you go. You're gonna be happy that you can use these. Like me, for example, I have iPhones, I have Android, so it's nice to be able to use my MagSafe charger in my vehicle and just slap it on. So there we have it, guys. This is the speckled fabric black case here for the Samsung Galaxy S23. And like I said, this is probably one of my favorite cases from Mous. And it's weird because I did not think I would love it this much, but I liked it with the iPhone. I really like it with the S23. Just feels so good in the hand, and it's just very, very grippy. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.